High up in the forests of Southeast Asia lives a tiny dragon, the Draco lizard. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary lizard, but when danger comes, it unfolds special wing-like flaps of skin and glides from tree to tree. These wings aren't for powered flight like birds, but for gliding, helping the lizard escape predators and move through the forest canopy with ease. With its bright colors and dragon-like form, it's no wonder people once believed these creatures were real dragons. Proof that sometimes nature doesn't need myths to create magic.